Looking to shake up your menu for Sunday's Super Bowl tailgate? If so, you need to make today's super addictive recipe. Howard shows us how to make honey barbecue chicken bites in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Did you know that more food will be consumed during Sunday's big game than any other day of the year? Well, except for Thanksgiving. It's true, and while you won't find turkey and mashed potatoes on the menu, there's a pretty good chance your typical game day favorites will include chips and dip, pizza, wings, and lots of ice-cold beer. And if you're looking to add something new to your lineup, I suggest you add our honey barbecue chicken bites. And to make these flavor-packed bites, we mix together some crushed cornflakes with paprika, onion and garlic powder, and some salt and pepper, and we set that aside. Next, we cut up a couple of pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast into 1-inch chunks. After dipping them in some beaten egg mixed with a little milk, we coat them with our seasoned cornflakes. Once they're baked, we'll drizzle them with a homemade honey barbecue sauce, and they're done. These are a nice change of pace from wings, since they're easy to eat and are better for us. To get the recipe for our honey barbecue chicken bites, simply visit our website. You might even want to make a double batch, since they'll disappear as fast as you make them. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a game-changing way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.